This savory fish fry is light and crispy. You have got to definitely try. Let us show you how to make fried haddock fillets just like Cracker Barrel for a satisfying meal tonight. The first thing to do is add the egg and milk into a bowl and beat to combine. Then, grab another bowl and add in the all-purpose flour, salt, paprika, cayenne pepper, dried oregano, and granulated sugar. Whisk the ingredients together, then coat the haddock fillets with the flour mixture and dip into the egg mixture. Now coat them with the yellow cornmeal before cooking over medium heat until golden brown. Once cooked, transfer into a serving plate and serve with lime wedges. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.